we're gonna put some stuff in a microwave and see what happens. That sounded good. Don't want to make it crispy. Can you see it in there? Yeah.
Oh. Oh.
Oh my gosh. It's smoking. It's filled up with smoke.
Oh.
Kid, look at the CD.
Oh.
Grab it with the stick.
Grab it with your hand.
Yeah, go ahead and do that. See how bad it hurts.
Is it hot?
Yeah.
Let me feel it. I was kidding.
Oh,
dude, that thing is.
This was Dan Mix 2005, actually.
Aww.
But it got crunched in my truck, that's why.
Oh.
So it was already broken.
It's all shriveled.
Look at that.
That crap stinks.
All right.
Man.
Our next item of choice
Okay.
is a light bulb.
Dude.
Holy!
Oh, dude, that was awesome.
Did you see that?
Dude, that's. This is a firework.
Ready? This is a little firework. We're gonna see
Ready?
what happens. Anything happening? Two, one.
One.
Open it up! Open it up! Open it up! Open it up! Pull it open! Oh!
Dude, look at all the stains back there. The glass is like majorly melted.